This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Richard Dooley and Anne-Marie Dooley. Available May 1, 2025 to November 30, 2025, former model home, by Zuckerman Homes, the Venetian floor plan with upgrades galore! This home boasts 3 bedrooms plus den and 4 bathrooms, 3-car garage, sunken wet bar for entertaining and resort-style pool with extended screened and lanai with outdoor kitchen. The home sits on a very private and beautifully landscaped extra-large deep lot backing up to preserve and river. Some of the upgrades include a high-end custom heated pool and SBA upgraded with a rock feature. Well water is used for irrigating the lawn and there is a natural gas cooktop. Electric hurricane shutters are on the house. West Bay offers top-notch amenities including a private beach club with restaurant on the beach, boat launch within the community, canoeing, kayaking, private golf club, restaurants on site and one of the best community pools in SWFL. Rental rate negotiable for multiple months. Agent C remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Richard Dooley and Anne-Marie Dooley at 239-261-8444 Rich.